दुल्हा कहाँ है?
सर सामने यहाँ
जी मैं इनको बता रहा था, मैंने कहा बरसा में एक शो करता था, तो पहले दिन 9 बजे की शिफ्ट थी, सडनली सवाल किसी फोन किया, सर कहाँ हैं आप? बरसा पहुँच गए, भागा मैं एकदम जल्दी से लुट के 9:15 बजे बरसा नोटिस 2 दिन बाद बोले देखो प्रदीप बीमारी है तो 9 बजे की शिफ्ट 9 बजे पहुँच जाया करो.
It's an illness. Nothing to do with
So I was just saying कि 9 की ऐसे टच होगा और बरसा will be entry.
मुझे लगा कि वो क्लब है.
अच्छा वहाँ चले गया.
नहीं मुझे लगा, मैं ड्राइवर टोल भी कि नहीं यहाँ जाना है. तो मैंने कहा कि यहाँ पर.
Yeah, you tell them. That's your department. आइए बरसा.
Just because it's digital, you need to just click a button. Right. Take this mouse and click on.
Come on, Raj, we have to do it together.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Click
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Well done.
Is it done?
Done? Oh. The curtains open and shut again.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Mubarak. Mubarak.
Thank you.
Mubarak.
You can come in the center and.
No, जिस काम के लिए आए हैं.
जी मैं आया लास्ट. But sir, I request you to say a few words. After you.
Raj, you can't go down.
After
Because then,
when you and
like they anchor the events of the awards, you can do it together on the mic.
yeah, please.
After you.
Yesterday I was in a cold city of Jalandhar in a college campus where there were 30,000 students. There was a play of mine which was seen by 3,000 young kids where the name of Raj's very popular talent scouting show came up, and they were all praying for those kids to make it to the final and then somehow land a role in one of our movies. What I experienced there was not something unique only to the Punjab or Jalandhar. It is unique to the times we live in. The thirst to be a part of the entertainment industry has never been so intense as it is now. And I think what Shashi has managed to do with his very bright team is to create that bridge between the industry and the talent. We, as industry insiders, are always looking for that new voice, for that new face. And the outsiders are all the time imagining that the film industry or the entertainment industry or the television industry is a kind of a fortress where you can't break through. So there are these two needs which are isolated. I am looking for that new face. They're looking for that opportunity, but somehow there is no bridge. And there were, in the earlier times, we used to be accessible, but now with the kind of the pace of life and the corporatization,
Well said.
Gone are the days when an Anupam Kher would come to your door and I would see him and I would look at him and cast him for Saransh, and that would be a beginning. Gone are the days when I would run into Kangana Ranaut and cast her in Gangster. Gone are the days when you see a reject like Dino Moria coming to your office and then you cast him for us. So those days are now somehow a thing of the past.
No physical.
You will still be, of course, filmmakers will still be casting people on their gut and the hunch. But I think what you're doing is really significant because, as somebody said, that when need meets greed, you have a brilliant industry which flowers. Need and greed, the greed of the times where actors, talent of all kind want to be a part of the industry, and the need of the industry to look for that passionate individual who can turn the wheels and take the content to a new space. And I think that is what you're doing a very important role. And then you said the caution that has got to be instilled in time where wherever there's money and power and glamour, there's always misuse. And I think we have been hearing stories of how vulnerable boys and girls are abused by people who claim to be insiders under our name. So I think this is, being an insider, you would perhaps play a more significant role. And I think it's an important platform to make available. So good luck to you. Raj.
Raj, please.
But Saab articulated so well. I want to congratulate Shashi and Anu and the team for putting something together like this. One of the changes that I've seen in the last decade or so in the film and entertainment industry is the opportunities that existed in the past have multiplied many-fold. I know a lot of people who want to become actors, and one of the questions, they come to me, they said, do you know Bhatt Saab, or you need a XYZ, can you recommend us to them, or can you put us on? And I keep asking them one question: you want to be an actor or you want to be a star? And there's a difference there. And also, it's, when you want to get into acting, like you said, it's not just film acting, it's also today the opportunities that are there. Just count the number of reality shows that happen on television. And we do something called silent auditions. Silent auditions happens over a period of 6 to 9 months. And then from that pool, we get 13 or 20 contestants. And the number of people, and when you go for silent auditions, or when we do auditions in smaller towns, you'll be amazed where people will be standing in queue from morning to evening just to get an audition. And one of the things, even for us, we are not able to go throughout the country. So silent auditions are done maybe in 10 cities, 14 cities. And because of, like what you said, familiarity of the same people, same pool, you end up going to the same places in the country. You don't go length and breadth of the country. I think with technology and with the Prime Minister's vision of a digital India, I think today access is, you can be in any part of the country and you can access information. And I think one of the things that you are doing with digitizing this, and ticket to audition is a person sitting in Jharkhand or a person sitting in any part of the country can access, he can reach across. And what I liked from the presentation that I saw is, I think a lot of people go, forget the exploitation and all that, that will continue to happen and everything. But what I'm saying is, a lot of people who go for auditions, even genuine auditions, what I like the best about this is, they don't get feedback. They have no clue why they've been rejected. Okay, I think that was that's the nicest part of it. And I think this will not take off overnight, because there has to be trust that has to come from people who are going to be part of it. It has to come from, I think it's just a question of a few casting directors, few producers, giving opportunities to people. I think once that happens and people realize that this platform actually delivers results, I think then it's going to fly. I think the fact that you've taken such a brave initiative, it's a new initiative, and I can only wish you good luck. And I'm sure the fraternity will come forward to support an initiative like this in every possible way.
Thank you, Raj.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Please.
I think the word that we should, access is success, is what he said, access. And I think you're providing access, great. And with that, I shall run out.
Just sit for 5 minutes. What's up? Just sit there. I would request Manmohan Shetty ji, so please come and say a few words. Shetty Saab.
I was not prepared that you're going to ask me.
Much better than what I'm saying, because they have gone through all this.
आई थिंक भट्ट साहब ने और शेट्टी साहब ने, राज नायक ने, सब ने अच्छा बोल दिया है, समझा दिया सब. शशि जी ने बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव ये दिया है. एंड आई थिंक ये एक्सेस होना टू प्रोड्यूसर्स को, एक्टरों को प्रोड्यूसर्स से और प्रोड्यूसरों को नए एक्टर्स देखने का, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है टिकट टू ऑडिशन. तो आई थिंक आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट. अनु एंड शशि जो भी काम करते हैं बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, तो आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.
Hi everybody. So the only difference just texted you. The only difference between me and I think some gentlemen here is that I've actually gone for tons of auditions, and it's a very long and heartbreaking process. I'm actually here because of an audition. As you know, we don't have mummy, papa, they live in Delhi. So, but the thing, I mean, just thinking intelligently, anything that has been a disruptive business of late has done well, whether it's Uber or Airbnb or Zomato or Swiggy, things that are now, because there's so much options, things that narrow your choices down and help you decide are the future. The future is disruptive businesses. This is also a disruptive business. It could remove a lot of shady management kind of people who refuse people the access to actors, as well as remove some middlemen like casting directors who misuse sometimes their power or play favorites. So in fact, something like this did exist, but not as efficient and as exhaustive as this existed in the West and has done very well. And for that reason, I think that I don't need to wish them luck, because I know, I'm very confident that it will really do well. And I wish that something like this was around when I moved to Bombay and, you know, went with my potli on a stick going for auditions every day. But it can be done, and here's hoping that people maximize this. I'm wondering how you'll handle all the traffic online and how you'll deal with it technologically, you know, but then I'm sure you have it figured out. So all the best for your new disruptive business. This is the future of business, and this is the future also belongs to content and talent. So congratulations, and I'm sure it'll do well. Thank you. आप आ जाओ चूचे यहाँ.
उसका नाम भी है भाई. Well, his picture has just become a big hit, so it doesn't need an introduction. Please come, Anish. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Firstly, big congratulations, Shashi sir, Anu ma'am. मैं अभी देखते देखते मुझे एकदम से याद है, मैं खुद सर जलंधर से मैं हूँ, तो जब एक्चुअली एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल के साथ बात करूँगा कि जब मैं कॉलेज कर रहा था और मैं वहाँ पे थिएटर कर रहा था, तो सोशल मीडिया से आप कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स को फॉलो करते हैं, आप ब्रांड्स को फॉलो करते हैं, एजेंसीज़ को फॉलो करते हैं, तो आपको पता लग जाता है कि कहाँ पे ऑडिशन है. लेकिन वो ऑडिशन आराम नगर में होता है, जो हमारे शहर से 1500 किलोमीटर दूर है, और घर वालों का बहुत प्रेशर होता है, वो जाने नहीं देते. सो आई सेव डाउन टू सम मनी एंड आई टोल्ड माई मदर कि मम्मा ऐसे ऐसे करके एक मोबाइल कंपनी का ऑडिशन है, मैंने देखा है 23 तारीख, तो क्या मैं चले जाऊँ? तो शी सेड इफ़ यू नॉट, आई मीन जाना है तो चले जाओ. सो आई सेव डाउन टू लॉट ऑफ मनी फॉर अबाउट 1 week 10 days एंड आई टुक माई सेल्फ अ ट्रेन टिकट. आई केम टू बॉम्बे, मैंने ऑडिशन दिया, मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुआ, लेकिन सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ, तो ट्रेन लेके वापस आ गया. एंड देन आफ्टर 2 months अगेन आई सॉ सम ऑडिशन दैट वाज, आई वेंट टू माई मदर लाइक बेटा आराम से खाना खाओ और घर पे बैठो. सो बट आई थिंक वन मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल पॉइंट इन दिस इज दैट व्हेन यू गेट टू नो अबाउट ऑडिशंस, यू कैन इवन ऑडिशन घर से, व्हेन यू कैन रिकॉर्ड auditions, and I think it will give a lot of opportunity to a lot of youngsters like me sitting in different backdrops, which is away from Bombay, and can be a part of the industry in terms of giving auditions. So I think it's a great initiative, it's a great platform, and all the very best, sir. Congratulations, guys.
We also have 2 very popular television faces here, Rohitas and Shubhangi. Please come and share a little bit of.
Hello everyone. First of all, big congratulations to Anu ma'am and Shashi sir. And I would say for this, ऐसा ही पकड़े हैं. तो जितने भी टैलेंट्स हैं और जो ऑडिशंस के लिए दर दर भटकते हैं, उनके लिए आई थिंक ये सबसे सही जगह है. तो अब मेरे ख्याल से जो वो गैप था वो अब भर जाएगा और एक ब्रिज बन चुका है. तो जिसको जिसकी तलाश है वो मिल जाएगा. सो थैंक यू.
मैं शशि जी और अनु जी को बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा कि आपने हमारा एक सीधा तारतम्य बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ बिठाया, जिन लोगों के साथ मिलने के लिए, उनसे बात करने की मात्र कल्पना किया करते थे, उनसे हम सीधे जुड़ सकते हैं. ये एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. हम बहुत छोटे छोटे शहरों से आए हैं, मैं भी एक छोटे से कस्बे से हूँ, तो हमारी यही कल्पना रहती थी कि कैसे मिले। बीच में बहुत सारे रोड़े आते थे एक के बाद एक। अब हमें हमारे उजड़ने का भी डर नहीं है, वरना पता चला करने कुछ और आए थे, हो कुछ और गए। तो थैंक्स अनु जी, शशि जी, इस सुंदर कार्य के लिए थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
आप खुश हैं क्योंकि सर आपकी भी कई सारी फिल्में कई बार प्रॉब्लम में हुई है तो वो बाहर भी आई हैं, तो आप खुश हैं सर, हैप्पी हैं सर?
इसके बारे में बात करता तो जवाब ही नहीं।
सर वो सारी बातें तो स्टेज पर
सर जो काम करके आए वो तो सही बात है।
अच्छा बहुत रोज मैं ऐसे चूचू अटक गया तो मैं जा रही हूँ।
विश तो कर
प्रीति तू खानी रही पीने रही मेरी पड़ोसी है, मैं उनसे घर में जाके विश कर देती हूँ। मुझे कबाब खिलाती है अपनी छत पर। हाँ सुन लिया क्या विश करूँ? अभी दुष्का मिल रही देखो कहाँ घर में आ गई। दिस इज अ बुक बाय शशि फादर ने आप लोग को जाए उसको खाना दे, खाना खा के इसमें तो अंकल आ गए। आ जाओ।